Hi everyone, welcome to Chemicals Academy. In this video, we will discuss the questions of Technical Assistant conducted by Kerala PSC in the year 2023. So first question, which carbocation has greater hyperconjugation interaction? So options are given. We have to find which carbocation has greater hyperconjugation. So you know number of alkyl groups increases, hyperconjugation increases. So greater the number of alkyl groups, greater will be the hyperconjugation of the carbocation. So here first one CH3 plus, second CH3C plus H2, third CH3C, CH3 thrice C plus and CH3 twice C plus H. So greater the number of alkyl groups, greater will be the hyperconjugation. So the option C will be the right answer. Second question, name the transition element which give only +3 oxidation state. Chromium, scandium, titanium, vanadium. So the answer is scandium. Scandium will give only +3 oxidation state. Third question, arrange the following in the increasing order of metallic character. So the elements are beryllium, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, rubidium. So you know highest metallic character will be shown by first group elements, that is rubidium. Here it is rubidium. So rubidium will have higher metallic character. When you go from left to right, the metallic character decreases. So rubidium should be higher. So looking on the options, first one aluminium, beryllium, magnesium, sodium, rubidium. So this can be right. Then next in B option, rubidium is given as lowest. So this can't be. Then D option and C option. Okay. So the right answer will be A option. Fourth question, which type of nuclear reaction leads to decrease of atomic number by 1? So we have to find the nuclear reaction which leads to decrease of atomic number by 1. That means if a element like X is given and its atomic number is Z and mass number will be A. So we have to decrease the Z atomic number by 1. Z minus 1 should be obtained. So that means the alpha decay, beta decay, electron capture, gamma decay. So among these, which is the correct nuclear reaction which leads to Z minus 1 atomic number? So alpha decay means what? 4He2. So that means Z will be increased by 2. Then beta decay means beta 0, 1. So increased by 1. Then electron capture means E0 minus 1. So Z will be Z minus 1. Z will become Z minus 1. When X is A plus and electron capture is done, that means Z minus 1. So the answer is Z. Fifth one, hybridization of BrF5 molecule. Hybridization of BrF5 means 7. For bromine 7 electrons, then fluorine 1 electron each. So 5 fluorine are there, then divided by 2. That means 7 plus 5 by 2, 12 by 2. 12 by 2 gives 6. So 6. First option sp3d2. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. So sp3 D2 will be the hybridization. Sixth question, which metals are suitable for photoelectric effect? Alkaline earth metals, alkali metals, transition metals, heavy metals. Answer is alkali metals. Consider the following isoelectronic Na plus, Mg2 plus, F minus, O2 minus. The correct order of increasing length of their radii is. So we have to find the ionic radii. So you know anions have greater ionic radii than cations. So anion should have higher ionic radii. So in option A it is given Na plus. So that will not be the answer. Then Mg2 plus, that's not. Then B option. B option is the right answer. Mg2 plus less than Na plus, less than F minus, less than O2 minus. Eighth question, which subatomic particle was discovered by the bombardment of beryllium with alpha particles in 1932? Subatomic particle discovered by bombardment of beryllium with alpha particles. So that is neutrons. Answer is neutrons. Ninth question, what is the shape of IF7 molecule? Square pyramidal, pentagonal, bipyramidal, distorted octahedral, trigonal, pyramidal. So the answer is B, pentagonal, bipyramidal. Next, seventh question, the ionization enthalpy of boron is slightly less than that of beryllium. This is because of high effective nuclear charge of boron. The 2p electron of boron is more shielded than that of 2s electron of beryllium. The penetration of a 2s electron to the nucleus is less than that of a 2p electron. S electron attracted to the nucleus is less than that of a p electron. So the correct answer is B option. 11th question, calculate the number of atoms in 32 gram of O2. So 32 gram of O2 means 1 mole of O2. 1 mole of O2 contain 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. So 2 oxygen means 2 into 6 into 2. So 2 into 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. That means 1.20 something into 10 raised to 24. So the answer is A, 1.2046 into 10 raised to 24 atoms. 12th question, borax dissolves in water to form an alkaline solution. Which compound is responsible for alkaline nature? B OH thrice, NaOH, B2O3, NaBO2. So borax Na2B4O7 plus 7H2O gives NaOH plus H2BO3. Okay, balancing the equation, 7H2O NaOH means 2 NaOH, 4 H2BO3. So borax dissolves in water to form alkaline solution and the compound responsible is NaOH. So B option. 13. Fullerenes are the only pure form of carbon. Which of the following statements substantiate this? They are cage-like molecule. All carbon atoms are equal. Carbon atoms undergo sp2 hybridization. They have smooth structure without having dangling bows. So the answer is D option. 14th question. NiCl4 2- has a tetrahedral shape. What is the spin-only magnetic moment of NiCl4 2-? NiCl4 2- means Ni2+. That means D8 configuration. 3D8. So 3D8. So it is a high spin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 unpaired electrons are there. N is equal to 2. So the equation for magnetic moment, root of n into n plus 2, that means root of 2 into 2 plus 2, 4, root 8. Root 8 equal to 2 point something. So answer will be option B, 2.83. 15th question, the product obtained by partial hydrolysis of HCF6. So that's very simple question. The answer is HCOF4. 16th question, consider the following reaction. C12H22O11, that is sugar, plus A give 12 carbon plus 11 H2O. So sugar is treated with some compound and it will get charged. So carbon is produced. That means a strong acid should be given. And the answer is H2SO4, H2O2, HCl, HNO3. The correct answer will be H2SO4, sulfuric acid. Then 17th, which one is the wrong statement about ozone? Ozone is thermodynamically unstable. That's the correct statement. B. High concentrations of ozone can be dangerously explosive. That's also correct. Change in enthalpy for its decomposition is positive. So decomposition of ozone is exothermic. So exothermic means it should be negative. Delta H is negative. So that's the wrong statement. And the fourth one gives energy change of its decomposition is negative. That's correct statement. 18th question. The chelating ligand not used for treatment of metal toxicity by chelation therapy is D-pencylamine, desferrioxime B, EDTA, DMG. So the chelating ligand not used for treatment of metal toxicity is DMG, dimethyl glyoxime. 19th question. Out of the following compounds, which one is not optically active? So given compound COEN tries 3+. So En is given. So this should be optically active. Next one is also optically active. Then comes cis CrCl2 OX twice 3 months. So you have to write the shape. You have to draw the shape that CrCl2 OX twice. That is cis. Cis means Cl near, then OX. Okay, so this is optically active because no plane of symmetry is there. Next one, trans. Trans should be optically inactive because it have plane of symmetry. See, a plane of symmetry is there, so it is optically inactive. So fourth one, that means option C will be the right answer. 20. The electronic configuration of N is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. Which rule explains this? So 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. That means only one electron is occupied singly. That means singly before pairing. So that's the Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. 21. Which of the following carbanion is the most stable one? So if a carbanion should be stable, least number of alkyl groups should be present. So least number of alkyl groups is for C option. Next one, addition of HBr to 2-pentene result in the formation of addition of HBr to 2-pentene. So C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2-pentene HBr. So you can either add H here or here. So two compounds are formed. So that will be 2-bromopentene, 3-bromopentene. Which of the following statement is correct regarding the structure of Z1-bromo-2-chloropropene? So Z means on the same side. Higher group should be on the same side. So bromine and chlorine should be on the same side. First option, BrCl opposite side. So wrong. BrCl on the same side of the double bond. So that will be the correct answer. 24. The most stable conformation of N-butane is CH3 eclipse, CH3H eclipse, gauche and anti-staggered. So when the large groups come on the opposite side, it will be stable. So the anti-staggered will be the stable one. Next one, aryl halides are less reactive towards nucleophile substitution as compared to alkyl halides due to stereoisomerism, tautomerism, resonance stabilization, inductive effect. So the answer is resonance stabilization. That's a speciality for aryl halides. 26. Which of the following represents a racemic mixture? So racemic mixture means equal amounts of R and S configuration. So equal amount should be there. First option 25%, 75%. Second 75, 25. Then third one 50% R2-butanol, 50% S2-butanol. So C option will be the right answer. Question. Freon is chlorofluoromethane, chlorofluoroethane, chlorofluoropropane, none of these. So freon is chlorofluoromethane. 28. Which of the following pollutants in water caused Minamata disease? Arsenic, mercury, lead, cadmium. Answer is mercury. The function of a lubricant is to protect against wear, to transfer heat, to reduce friction, all of these. So the answer is all of these. 30. Which of the following adsorbent material used in thin layer chromatography? Cellulose, alumina, silica gel, all of these. So all are used in TLC plate. Here, the phenol is treated with HCHO, formaldehyde, and R2NH, secondary amine. So this reaction is what? Mannich reaction. So it's a very simple question. Then 32. During reaction of phenol with chloroform in presence of aqueous hydroxide, the major product formed is. So phenol is treated with the chloroform CHCl3. So you will get salicylaldehyde. Salicylaldehyde is also known as orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. So option B is the right answer. Next one, the product formed in carbylamine reaction. So carbylamine reaction product will be isocyanate. So the option C will be the right answer, isocyanate. 34. Preparation of aryl fluoride by heating arene diazonium fluoroborate is known as Sandmeyer's, Schiemann, Gutterman. So answer will be Schiemann reaction. 35. Which of the following is most easily cleaved by HBr? So 4 compounds are given. Which will be most easily cleaved by HBr? That will be option D, because more strained ring easily cleaved by HBr. More strained ring. Next question. Which of the following is known as omega-3 fatty acid? Linoleic acid, linolenic acid, oleic acid, stearic acid. So the correct answer is option B. 37. Friedel-Crafts alkylation proceeds by the formation of a carbocation, carbanion, chloride ion, hydroxide ion. So Friedel-Crafts alkylation always proceed through carbocation. 38. Which of the following is not a 5-membered heterocyclic compound? Pyrrole, pyridine, furan, thiophene. So not a 5-membered ring. Not a 5-membered means pyridine. Pyridine is a 6-membered ring. And 39. NBr is a polymer of butadiene and acrylonitrile. C option. 40. The empirical formula of the hydrocarbon containing 80% carbon and rest hydrogen is. So you have to find the empirical formula. So carbon, hydrogen, then 80% carbon is there, 20% hydrogen. So 80 divided by 12. Then 20 divided by mass of hydrogen 1. 80 by 12 will give you 6.66 something. Then 20. Then 6 and 20. So you can simplify this. 3 6 are 80. So approximately 3. So 1 is to 3. So the formula will be CH3. So answer C option, CH3. 41. Which of the following spectroscopic technique is or are correctly matched with the radiations used for their study? Vibrational spectroscopy, IR waves, so that's correct. Then electron spectroscopy, gamma rays, that's wrong. Then NMR, radio. So 1 and 3, option B, 1 and 3. What is the degree of freedom of water at its melting curve? So at melting curve, ice will become liquid. So F is equal to freedom, degree of freedom is C minus P plus 2. Components is 1, number of components 1, number of phases will be 2, then plus 2. So 1 minus 2 plus 2 give 1. So the answer is 1. Next question. For a simple cubic crystal X-ray diffraction, shows intense reflection for angles at theta 1 and theta 2, which are assigned to planes 110, 111 respectively. The ratio of sin theta 1 to sin theta 2 is Bragg equation n lambda equal to 2d sin theta. So 2d1 sin theta 1 equal to 2d2 sin theta 2. We have to find sin theta 1 by sin theta 2, d2 by d1. So the answer will be root of second 1 square plus 1 square plus 0 square divided by 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. So that will be 2 by 3, root 2 by 3. So the answer is C option. 44. The law which states that heat and work are mutually interconvertible is known as first law of thermodynamics. Isothermal expansion of an ideal gas, which of the following is or are true? Delta H equal to 0, W equal to minus Q, delta U equal to 0. So all of the above are true. So D option, all of these. 46. The RMS velocity of a gas at 200 Kelvin is 350 meter per second. RMS velocity of the same gas at a temperature of 800 Kelvin is. So the equation for RMS velocity is root of 3RT by M. Root of 3RT by M. So here it is given 3R into 200. 200 by M, root of 3R in 200 by M is 350. So we have to find at the 800 Kelvin. So 3R into 200 into 4 will give you 800. So root of 3R 200 into 4 by m. That means root of 350, sorry, not root, 350 into root 4. 350 into root 4. That means 350 into 2. That means 700 meter per second. So the answer will be B option. 47. An element exists in two crystallographic modification with FCC and BCC structure. The ratio of densities of FCC to BCC modification in terms of volume of their unit cell. So you have to find the ratio in terms of volume. So density formula is Zm by Nv. Nv volume. So for FCC it is Zm by Nv FCC. So in FCC the Z will be 4. So 4m by N is 2. Then BCC 2m by Nv BCC. So that means 4m by Nv FCC into Nv BCC by 2m. So cancel this m, it becomes 2. So 2V BCC by V FCC. So the answer is 2V BCC is to V FCC. 48. The conductivity of an electrolytic solution of 0.05 mole per liter concentration is found to be 0.0125 per ohm per centimeter. The molar conductivity of the solution is, so lambda m equal to kappa into 1000 by m equal to equal to 0.0125 into 1000 by 0.05. That will give you 250. So the answer is C option. 49. During the process of osmosis, the volume of less concentrated solution is increased. 50. What is the unit of rate constant of a second order reaction? For second order reaction, the rate constant unit will be liter per mole per second. 51. An acid solution with pH equal to 1 is diluted to double its volume by adding water. The pH of the resulting solution will be. So the pH is given 1. When its volume is doubled, what will be the pH? So pH equal to 1 means 1 equal to minus log H plus. So concentration of H plus will be 10 raised to minus 1. So now the resultant pH will be, if the volume is double, then the concentration will be half. So minus log H plus concentration by 2. That means 10 raised to minus 1 by 2. So you will get minus log 2. So it will be 1 minus plus log 2 means 0.3 something. So 1.3 something approximately. So in the option less than 1, between 1 and 2, equal to 1, equal to 2. So the answer will be between 1 and 2. 52. The defect in which an electron is trapped in place of an anion vacancy in a crystal is known as. So electron is trapped in anion vacancy. So that will be metal deficiency defect. 53. Which of the following statements is or are true for smectic liquid crystals? They have thread-like structure. They are affected by strong magnetic field. Their flow is non-Newtonian. So the answer will be A option, only 3. Their flow is non-Newtonian. 54. Which of the following statement is or are true about chemical potential? It is a partial molar property. It is an intensive thermodynamic property. It varies with temperature. So all are correct. D option. 55. For a reversible chemical reaction, the ratio between the rate constant of forward reaction and rate constant of backward reaction is called equilibrium constant of the reaction. 56. An aqueous solution of sodium acetate is basic. An aqueous solution of sodium acetate is basic. 57. The law which connects the relationship between pressure and solubility of a gas in a liquid at a given temperature is called Henry's law. 58. The phenomenon of phosphorescence is due to triplet to singlet transition of electron. Triplet to singlet transition. Next question. To which point group does ammonia molecule belongs to? Very simple question. C3V. 60. The symmetry operation product sigma V dash C2 when applied to BF3 molecule gives. So first you have to apply C2, then sigma V dash. So that's the rule. If XY operation is done to a molecule, first you have to perform Y operation, then followed by X. So first C2. So BF3 molecule. BF1, F2, F3. So first you apply C2 rotation. C2 rotation means 180 degree. 180 degree. So what will be the resultant figure? F3, F2, here F1. C2 rotation. So the axis will be like this. C2 rotation. Now you have to apply sigma V dash. So sigma V dash will be like this. Sigma V dash plane. So again the resultant I am writing here B. So F1 will be in the position of F1, F3 comes, then F1, here F2. So this is the resultant structure. So here we have to find the product operation, symmetry product operation. So here we are getting F1 in the place of F2 and F3 in the place of F1. So what will be the product symmetry operation? So the original symmetry is F1, F2, F3. So if you want this resultant structure, then you have to perform C3 rotation in the original molecule. So the answer will be C31. So these were the questions from chemistry module, and the rest of the questions of this question paper is from other branches. So I am winding up here. Hope you all understood. Thank you.